Hi everybody, welcome back to the Dr. Shrink Studio. We have a really exciting vlog for you today. Joining us is the founder and president of Dr. Shrink Incorporated, Mike Stenberg. How you doing, Mike?
Doing good, thank you.
Today we want to talk a little bit about the REBAG and the recycling system. Do you have any main points you want to discuss about the REBAG?
Sure, we've been offering the REBAG system for about 12 years. And it's a real system, or simple yet effective system of recycling used shrink wrap boat covers, any type of shrink wrap that is used on industrial applications. It's very simple. It consists of a 30-inch by 60-inch lay flat bag. And this bag has cover removal instructions on it, so it's real simple. You can't screw up how to load the material into the bag. So it just has to be clean as far as no strapping in it, no doors, no vents. It comes with a closure device. It also comes with a authorized UPS return label. So that means once it's full, you close it, you slap the label on, and you can either flag down a UPS driver or go to Mailboxes USA or even go to a West Marine store and drop the bags off.
That sounds easy enough. What made you want to come up with this idea and this system?
Well, shrink wrap, it's all made of a virgin resin, so it's a really high-end product. And if we throw it into a landfill, it's going to last forever. And it shouldn't be put into a landfill because it's such a good piece of material. And it can be made into just a myriad of different types of products so that it does get another useful life out of it.
What exactly is made from the recycled shrink wrap once it's given back?
Man, we have a variety of things. Everything, the shrink wrap all goes back to one recycling center in Minnesota, where it is densified, which means it's ground up, it's washed, so it can't be turned back into shrink wrap because of post-consumer waste. But what happens to it is it's cleaned again and then it's put into products such as construction, agricultural films. It's used as the filler for Trex lumber. It's also used as actual blocks that separate guardrails from the upright posts in the ground, so that it's a very usable product. Again, it's tough just to recycle and use by itself, but when it's mixed with lesser products, it works very well.
Where exactly can the REBAG be used?
The REBAG program is again a UPS authorized return system. And so it's good in all across the continental United States, shore to shore.
And are you doing any work in conjunction with any organizations right now? I think I read you're doing work with the Red Cross.
Sure. What we're doing, actually, we're not working with the Red Cross, but we donate a certain amount of money per recycling bag that goes into their general fund. And we want to do that to give the Red Cross a hand in some extra money in their disaster situations where they're very helpful. We're also working with Bay Area Recycling in northern Michigan, and it's a nonprofit organization. So the proceeds from the products that we give to Bay Area Recycling go to charities also.
Oh, nice. Well, thanks for being here, Mike. We appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to share with us.
You're welcome.
Our viewers are now going to follow me along to the table. I'm going to discuss the 3 different components of the REBAG, and after that we're actually going to go out to the warehouse and I'll give you some tips on how to make sure you can stuff that thing full. When you purchase the REBAG, this is how it's going to come packaged to you. It comes with 3 different parts. You have the actual REBAG that you're going to stuff the shrink wrap cover into. You have a zip tie to close the bag. And you have the UPS prepaid label that you're going to stick on the outside of the bag, and you can either take it to a UPS service center or UPS can pick it up where you are. Here we are in the warehouse where I'm going to show you how to properly stuff a REBAG. As you can see, I have trimmed above the perimeter band because you do not want the strapping to be stuffed in the REBAG. I have also removed all zipper access doors and vents. You only want the plastic inside the REBAG. as you can see, the REBAG has no problem holding a cover from a 26-foot power boat. It holds about 600 square feet of plastic. However, if you do have a bigger boat and you really need to stuff it full, you can always stand inside the bag and jump on it, which I would be happy to show you. One final tip I want to leave you guys with today is to get the maximum use of your REBAG. Stuff it full, as much shrink wrap as you can get in there. If you can get 2, 3 covers in there, the more the better. That prepaid UPS sticker is going to take it where it needs to go, no matter what the weight. So please make sure you get as much in there, and together we can make a difference. Let's make the REBAG a staple in the shrink wrapping industry. Please think of the environment. Thanks for following along. That's a wrap.